In this video, I'll guide you through how to move trash mail to your inbox in Gmail. Maybe you accidentally deleted an important message, or you just noticed that something you actually need has ended up in the trash. Don't worry, Gmail makes it pretty simple to restore those emails, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, you'll want to open Gmail. You can do this in a web browser on your computer by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. For the clearest view and to match exactly what I'm describing, I recommend using a desktop browser, but the idea is very similar on mobile as well. Once you're in, wait a moment for your inbox to load completely so everything is up to date. Next, you need to go to the trash section. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of folders and labels such as inbox, sent, drafts, and so on. If you don't immediately see trash in that list, look for an option that says more or a small arrow that expands the menu. Click that, and you should see trash appear further down the list. Go ahead and click trash to open it. When the trash folder opens, you'll see all the emails that have been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Gmail usually keeps these for around 30 days before they're automatically erased, so if you're looking for something older than that, it might no longer be available. Take a moment to scroll through the trash and find the email you want to restore. You can also use the search bar at the top and add a keyword or the sender's name, then filter by the trash location if needed. Once you've found the email you want to bring back, you'll need to select it. On the left side of the message row, there's a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select the email. If you want to restore more than one message, you can click the checkboxes next to each email you want to move. Selected emails are usually highlighted so you can clearly see which ones are chosen. With your email or emails selected, look toward the top of the page for the Move to button. This is usually represented by a small folder icon with an arrow, and when you hover over it, it should say Move To. Click that button. A drop-down menu will appear showing different folders and labels where you can move your selected messages. From that list, choose Inbox. Clicking Inbox tells Gmail to take the email out of the trash and put it back into your main inbox, just like it was before you deleted it. After you select Inbox, Gmail will confirm the move, usually with a small notification near the bottom or top of the screen, and the email will disappear from your trash view. To double check that everything worked, click back on Inbox on the left side of the screen. Your restored email should now appear there, typically in the same date order as when it was originally received. You can open it, reply, or organize it with labels just like any other message. That's all there is to it. You've successfully moved an email from trash back to your Gmail inbox.